Press Window plus R to open the run box. Type Rigidit. Press Enter and click Yes. In Registry Editor, go to this path and find the entry called Initial Keyboard Indicators. Double-click it and change the value to number 2. So 0 is equal to numlock off. Number 2 is equal to numlock on. Click OK, then close Registry Editor. Restart your computer to apply changes. So after that, to check, you need to press Window plus R again, then type OSK, then hit Enter. The on-screen keyboard will open. Looks like a virtual keyboard. So look for the key labeled numlock. If it's highlighted or turned on, then numlock is on. If it's not highlighted, it's off. You can click it to turn on or off, and that's it.